Unplug the power cord from the wall. Using a 5mm Allen wrench, remove the bolts holding the console to the frame. Carefully disconnect the console wire located in the user right console mast. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screws from the back side of the console. Disconnect all the cables from the upper control board. Then, using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screws holding in the board. Install the new board and connect all the cables. When attaching the console to the frame, remember to connect the console cable wires located on the user right mast. Remember to auto-calibrate the treadmill.